Hello guys, welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert image to text. So here on my desktop, I have an image that has some text that I want to use in a certain document. So I'll have to convert it to editable document. So if you are in the same situation, let's get started with our video on how you can convert image to text. Now, the first step you need to do on your PC is to open a Google Chrome browser. Then on your browser, sign in to any Google account. So once you're signed in the top right hand corner of your screen, you need to click on this menu right here. Then Google Apps will be opened, and now the next thing you need to do, just click on Drive from this list. It's right here, and you'll be taken to your Google Drive page. Now the next step, you need to upload your image that has the text you want to convert in your Drive, and the easiest way is to drag and drop just like this. Now once the upload process is complete, go to your uploaded image. So mine is here. Then right click on it, and these options will appear on your screen. Now you need to go to open with options, and another options will appear. Now you need to go to Google Docs, click on it, and Google Docs will be opened in a new tab on your browser. So once you're here, the first thing you'll see is the image you uploaded, and below it is the editable text that is in that image. So mine are too big, so I'll have to reduce them. I think I'm done. The next thing you need to do here on your Google Docs, in the top left hand corner of your screen, you need to click on File. Then on these options, go to Download, and from your second pop-up options, you need to click on Microsoft Word, and here your document will be downloaded in MS Word format. Now once the download process is complete, now go ahead and open your document. Then on top of your document here, you need to click on Enable Editing. Then next, you can now delete this image that is appearing on your first page because we don't need it anymore. Then you can now edit your text as you want. So guys, here you can see how we converted image to text easily. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe, and let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.